listen, it's gonna keep going. Even while I start talking right here, but this is a Kanile'a KSDLX GL6. In this video, I'm gonna go over this thing. By the way, they don't even make these anymore. I'll tell you how I even got this at store.ukelikethepros.com. But actually, fantastic. Stick around. We'll go over the specs and we'll do some playing right now in this video. All right, so welcome to Uke Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter. This thing is going to do its thing here. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn that bell notification. That way you don't miss a single video. And if you dig what we're doing, make sure to show this video a little love. Leave a comment below. Smash the like button. Share this video. It helps bring more people to our channel. All right, so this is a fantastic Guitarlele. KSDLX GL6. Like I said, they don't even make these anymore. This was a custom order. This is really funny. Custom order by somebody. And I guess maybe his wife found out how much it was and he had to cancel it. So Kanile'a, who do they call? They call me the #1 Guitarlele guy in the world. And they said, "Do you want this?" Absolutely. I'll take it. I'm excited to have it. It's been sitting in my store. It is brand new. I totally forgot I had it. And then we found it the other day and I was like, oh my gosh. It's not even up on the store and I haven't even done a video yet. So that's what we're doing right now, a video on this incredible Kanilea GL6. Right, so let me do a little playing. We'll dive right into everything you didn't know with this instrument. Done. Game over. Shut the front door. This thing is absolutely incredible. Now, what makes this so special? Why have they don't make these anymore like in normal production? Because they do make the Guitarlele, but they don't make this particular model, this KS Deluxe. So what makes it so deluxe? And by the way, if you're a guitar player or a Guitarlele player, ukulele player, and you want to get more into Guitarlele, we got tons of stuff at ukelikethepros.com. Courses, memberships, everything, Q&As that we do for the Guitarlele. All right, let's dive into this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful spruce top. Absolutely incredible. I mean, just look at all the variation in it. Just a gorgeous piece. Now, what's unusual, not unusual, they don't do this on their standard models. This is usually stuff for custom stuff and some of their higher end models, but it has the rosette here, which is the thick rosette because it has a line of ebony, then it has a koa, and then it has the ebony again. So thick rosette. Also, the binding right there. The binding goes all the way around. That's, again, not something they normally do on their standard models of the Guitarlele. Now, this one's really cool because it's got the koa sides, boom, boom, and back. Of course, this is all Hawaiian koa. This is made in Hawaii. Look at that. Let me get a little, see it coming to life there. So absolutely fantastic. One of the premium Guitarleles on the market. Okay, so premium. Now, I'll talk about the tuning in a second and also how you can change that tuning. I'll tell you about that in just a second. So anyway, but just what do you think? I mean, the resonance is crazy. By the way, to help give you the best sound, I got a really nice mic up here. I got a really nice mic here. I got really nice mic pre's. We're doing everything we can to really give you the true sound of this instrument. I will tell you this, when you own this instrument, when it's actually yours and you're playing it, it's gonna sound better than anything we can do here. I do my best, and then of course, YouTube, they kind of compress it, they do their thing is with it, but I'm giving you the best audio that I can for this amazing instrument. So, all right, let me do a little playing, and then I'll show you the rest of the specs. Woo! Have some fun. Really enjoy getting back to the 6 strings on some of these reviews. Now, this is the super tenor body. Okay, so you have the wider lower bout here. A little thicker body here because it's a guitarlele, so help give it that really full sound. Now, this is currently tuned A to A. What does that mean? A, D, G, C, A. All right, so A to A tuning. Basically, a ukulele with 2 extra strings, right? Ukulele right here with the low D and the low A there. Now, you guitar players out there, you can, and I have done this. I've turned this into a guitar by tuning it A to A. You need new strings. You can't use these. These are the Kanilea strings here. You cannot use these strings, but the Pepe Romero strings work fantastic on this, and you can tune it E to E. So if you want a guitar, you got a guitar, which is absolutely super, super cool. All right, let's check this out. You got the nice satin neck. What I like about the Kanilea necks here, especially on these guitarleles, is one, they're nice and wide, so you got the 2-inch nut width right here. So plenty of space for your fingers, which is what you want on a guitarlele. You don't want it too narrow here. It's uncomfortable. It sucks. And you don't want an ultra thick neck here. It's uncomfortable. Though it's kind of like nice, really thin. Can you see this neck? Really nice, thin neck there, but the nice wide 2-inch nut width. Now, what I like about what they've done with this model is they did do the gold hardware here. They do have the ebony head plate and then the ebony fretboard with the mother of pearl here. So I like the combination. Now, Spruce and Koa. Now, you're already hearing what that sounds like. Right? Spruce, typically big sound, right? Bold, powerful sound, nice projection. Can get a little trebly sounding. But what they did here with the Koa, right, with the Koa wood, and Koa is great because it's a really warm, lush sounding wood. It really balances out the Spruce, and so when you're playing it, so when you're playing it, you're getting that projection, you're getting that nice, clear, crisp notes, but that Koa wood's kind of giving a little bit more of that mid-range sound, so it's not too trebly. Fantastic, fantastic. So anyway, what do you think? Leave those comments below. Again, store.ukelikethepros.com. If you want this one, I have this one right here. This one in my hands. Like I can tell you, they're not making these anymore. They make them like for custom orders, but they're not making them anymore. So this might be the last one ever. Who knows? But anyway, this is available at store.ukelikethepros.com. Anyway, fantastic. What did I forget? Did I forget anything? I don't really think so. I got it. If you dig what I'm playing, ukelikethepros.com. That's my instructional site. Courses, ukulele, guitarlele, baritone, all that kind of stuff. Fantastic premium membership and a bunch of free stuff. So just get on over there, become part of the Ukulele Pros Nation. If you want to connect with me or you like the pros more, just find us on all social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube here. What else? Our Patreon page. We're there. So anyway, I appreciate you being here. The Kanile'a KSDLX GL6 Guitarlele, or guitar if you want to change the tune on it. Totally fine. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for the support. And as always, be safe, take care of yourself, and we'll see you next time.